Felix Romer, data strategist, investor, and AI innovator, transforming business through analytical precision and strategic vision in a rapidly evolving global economy. Adaptability and analytical rigor are often what separate success from stagnation. Few individuals exemplify this distinction more than Felix Romer, a seasoned entrepreneur, investor, and data strategist. Known for his practical involvement in the companies he backs, Romer has developed a professional philosophy grounded in analytical decision-making, long-term focus, and the pursuit of operational excellence. Born on June 28, 1994, Felix Romer, also spelled Felix Romer, emerged as a unique figure in both digital and real-world markets. His initial foray into entrepreneurship took shape in the world of in-game economies, where he developed a strong foundation in trading, pricing strategy, and understanding large-scale market dynamics. These early experiences laid the groundwork for his future pursuits across fintech, investment strategy, and sports science. The early foundation. In game economies, Felix Romer's early entrepreneurial experiences revolved around trading within digital marketplaces. A notable example was his deep involvement in the RuneScape economy, where he bought and sold virtual goods, identified pricing inefficiencies, and learned to forecast value trends based on player behavior and system updates. This hands-on environment provided Romer with a powerful, real-time classroom in market logic, demand elasticity, and economic modeling. It was through those early experiences that I began to understand the deeper mechanics of markets, says Felix Romer. I wasn't just playing a game, I was learning how value moves. Transition to investment and business strategy. Building upon his success in digital trading, Romer entered the broader world of investing and deal-making. Unlike many passive investors, Felix Romer founder is known for embedding himself in companies to help structure operations, identify inefficiencies, and chart a path toward sustainable scaling. His work spans a variety of sectors including sports, mutual funds, fintech, and distressed assets. His strategy? Combine data analysis with hands-on involvement. I believe that to make a company successful, you can't just observe from a distance. You need to be there, within the systems, seeing where things can be optimized, he states. Professional growth and resilience. The trajectory of Romer's success has not been without challenges. One of the more formative moments came in 2019, when a sudden tax bill and a series of business setbacks threatened to deplete his savings. Support from his close friend Nick proved crucial during this time. That experience taught me not only the importance of financial planning, Felix Romer recounts, but also how essential it is to surround yourself with reliable people and to be that kind of person for others. This blend of resilience and emotional intelligence has become a defining feature of Romer's approach to business. Innovation in sports science and AI. Among his recent ventures, Romer has played an instrumental role in Short Circuit Science, a company leveraging AI and computer vision to improve athletic performance, recovery, and career longevity, with a focus on professional soccer. His contribution centered around structuring data points in a way that allowed AI systems to yield actionable insights. By combining his interest in sports analytics with his expertise in data modeling, Felix Romer helped craft an AI-driven approach to physical optimization, benefiting both athletes and coaching staff. Typical workflow and decision-making. A regular day for Romer begins with mindfulness and structured planning. Most days start with a healthy breakfast and some mindfulness to stay grounded, he shares. From there, I handle my most critical tasks first, while my energy is sharp. Later in the day, I shift to training and personal projects. This balance between strategic execution and personal development mirrors his long-term, analytical approach to business. Staying analytical and not letting emotions dictate decisions has been key. Long-term success often comes from consistency more than intensity. How he stays informed. For someone with such a diverse portfolio, staying current is essential. Romer relies on a network of trusted peers and his own disciplined observation to stay ahead of industry trends. I don't just follow trends blindly. I ask, why is this gaining traction? What's behind it? That mindset helps me see where things are really heading. This method has served him well, especially in identifying promising technology startups and distressed assets with untapped potential. Felix Romer's core competencies. Investing. Known for embedding himself within organizations he invests in to drive growth. Deal structuring. Specializes in evaluating, negotiating, and executing complex transactions. AI and sports science. helps design AI systems that deliver actionable insights in high-performance sports environments. Fintech and finance, skilled in identifying profitable restructuring opportunities and managing mutual funds. Market dynamics, early mastery of digital market economies has informed his real-world trading strategies. Lessons learned and skills taught self-taught in many aspects of business. Romer credits his time in gaming economies for laying the foundation for his professional mindset. Learning to understand market mechanics through gaming was pivotal. It taught me to recognize patterns and think in terms of value chains. His ability to teach himself and adapt quickly has allowed him to move fluidly between industries, from digital assets to professional athletics. Leadership philosophy. When starting a new venture, Romer prioritizes objectivity and team composition. The first thing I do is understand the actual problem we're solving. I map out what success would look like and focus heavily on who I'm working with. The right people make the biggest difference. A long-term perspective. While Romer is actively involved in high-stakes ventures, his perspective remains focused on long-term value. He avoids hype cycles and instead prefers sustainable growth anchored in sound analytics. Short bursts of effort might deliver flashes of success, but it's the long game that creates meaningful results. Looking ahead, as of 2024, Felix Romer, founder, continues to expand his involvement in companies at the intersection of technology, finance, and sports. Whether he's modeling data for performance improvement or identifying undervalued businesses ripe for transformation, Romer remains committed to strategies that are informed, ethical, and scalable. His approach is not about disruption for its own sake. It's about understanding the underlying systems that drive markets, behavior, and opportunity, and using that understanding to create value over time. In a landscape that often rewards speed over substance, Felix Romer stands out as a measured, consistent, and deeply analytical force. Through patience, adaptability, and a commitment to integrity, he exemplifies what it means to succeed in today's data-driven world.